Alright, so let's take a look at this. Our motherboard has access to this coin slot, so the coin slot is CS. So, whoops. Before we dispense the food, we're on the step checking amount of money we have. So, double current amount, current funds, let's do that. It's CS dot get current amount. There's my lowercase g. Grr. I should fix that. That should be a capital. Now, if we debug log, funds. So if we debug log that and run it, if I do 11, it's still dispensing. My current funds is 0, so that's incorrect. We should have at least $1.25 before we dispense. So that's just a simple if check. And I want you to put that in yourself. So the next step, I'll go ahead and comment it out, but I want you to do it yourself. So if we have more money, well, more or equal amount of funds to the cost of our food, dispense the food and make the purchase. Else do an early return. Alright, so go ahead and try putting that in, and we'll look at that next video.